Good afternoon from Grand Family Farm. Well, the sun's out a little bit, which is good. Feels good. Feels warmer just seeing the sun, but it is cold out here. And it is still muddy. So, instead of having to freeze, last time I looked, it was over 40 degrees a few hours ago, so it's probably warmer than that. Me and Selah going down to the barn and give all this corn and green beans to the pigs. Yeah, it's colorful. Green and yellow, kind of like John Deere, huh? All right. Hang on. See if I can spread this out a little bit. Oh, these little piggies. Well, some of them are wearing some corn. There's Harold on a fit. Knowing I got some good stuff, don't you? There we go. You guys gotta stay out of the way, you'll be wearing it again. Yep, you're wearing it. Told you. All right, in the water, dang it. Makes things difficult. There you go. Yep, they're loving that stuff. Yeah, I know. The chickens are going, hey, where's my corn? You're going to get dried stuff. We got a little black pig standing over there on top of the alfalfa eating it. Came back over here to see if there's some more corn or green beans. So everybody's got their grain, their alfalfa, and their corn green bean snack. They're all happy. Harold's still wearing corn. Chickens got fed, plus they got some scratch. And I collected the eggs. I smashed one accidentally, stepped in it. So they don't use the layer boxes, they use the bud for some reason. Anyway, I'm gonna wash those eggs off, put the house, and then I'll probably end up just feeding these to the pigs after their claims. I don't know if I trust them. They've been out here, it's froze a little bit here and there. But this mess right here I just cleaned up from the mice again, breaking open bags, and the birds coming in here and just tearing through it. Gotta do a lot of modifications to this barn before next winter, because the birds moved in. It sure is a pretty day. Sure is cold though. Kind of strange that all the red pigs don't come all out at once. Guess they wait for me to leave. The black ones are definitely more people friendly. I'm not sure how friendly they'd be. I haven't touched none of them, so, but they do come out. That one is trying to eat the wire. If you need pigs, I have pigs. We do trades, barter, whatever. But the pigs need to go. They need a new home. I have too many mouths to feed. Sure are fun little guys though. See, that one's still nursing. It's probably the one that never comes out. Only out here because Mama's been out here getting all the snacks and stuff. Kind of weird, it always hides in the house. Well, that's gonna wrap it up for me today, being out here. All the animals got food. We got to see a little baby that always hides, little red one. They came out and nursed a little bit and they ran back into the house over there. Well, Mama's not too happy. See, Mama's a pig. Literally. Yeah, those little guys are tough though. So the dad's, he's a lot mellower than the mama. What a beautiful day. It's too bad the mud's here. Got a lot of stuff to do, so we can't do it in the mud. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great afternoon.